find some food particles in your baby's potty which are coming as it is. Okay, so then this video is for you. So here are some additional details why stomach pushes out the food particles as it is in the stool. First one is incomplete digestion. As babies begin to start solids, their digestive tract will be still developing and they will not produce sufficient enzymes which breaks down the food into smaller particles. This can result in the undigested food particles passing through the digestive tract and appear in the stool. Second one is rapid food passage. If your baby is having any diarrhea or any gastrogenital issues, then stomach will not be able to digest whatever food that you are offering, and it feels very difficult to digest and pushes out the food as it is in baby's stool. Third one is food allergies or intolerance. Food allergies and intolerance can cause a range of symptoms, including undigested food in the stool. When the baby's immune system reacts to certain food which it cannot take or tolerate, then it cannot be able to produce certain enzymes which helps in breaking down the food into smaller particles. So that's the reason stomach will not be able to digest, or the digestive tract will not be proper for certain foods, and then it tries to push it out. Fifth one is size and texture of the food. Babies explore new food in touching, squeezing, and sometimes swallowing the whole food as it is. So they are still learning how to chew and swallow properly. So it is quite common that digestive tract or digestive system will not be able to digest all of these large pieces or chunks. So in that case, it will digest some of the food and then it will throw us out, or it will push us out in the stool. While finding food pieces in the baby's stool as it is, this is very common and there is nothing to worry about. If you still think that your baby is passing the food particles in the stool for a very long time, for months, then it's time to talk to your doctor.